In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the top row header when scrolling in Excel. If you work with long spreadsheets, this is a really useful feature to know. When your worksheet has headers at the top, it can be difficult to keep track of what each column means once you start scrolling down through a lot of data. Freezing the top row solves that by keeping your header visible at all times, which makes your spreadsheet much easier to read and work with. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open the worksheet you want to use. Make sure you're on the sheet where your header row is located at the very top. This method is ideal when your column titles are in the first row and you want them to stay in place while the rest of the sheet scrolls normally. Once your worksheet is open, go to the View tab in the top menu ribbon. In that tab, look for the Freeze Panes option. Click on Freeze Panes and then choose Freeze Top Row from the drop-down menu. As soon as you do that, Excel will lock the first row of your worksheet in place. Now, when you scroll down through your data, the top row will remain visible. This is especially helpful for larger tables, reports, inventories, or any worksheet with many rows of information. Instead of scrolling back up to check your headers again and again, you'll always be able to see them at the top of the screen. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in speed and accuracy when reviewing or editing data. If you want to confirm that it worked, simply scroll down your sheet. You should notice that the first row stays fixed while the rest of the worksheet moves underneath it. That's how you know the header row has been successfully frozen. If later you decide you no longer want the top row locked, Excel makes it easy to reverse the change. Go back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes again, and then select Unfreeze Panes. This will remove the frozen header and return the worksheet to normal scrolling. That's all there is to it. Freezing the top row in Excel is a quick and practical way to make your spreadsheets easier to navigate, especially when you're working with a lot of information. Once you start using it, it becomes one of those simple tools that can save you time every day.